everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Madhushmita and you are welcome to Dear Wallet. If you are new to my channel, make sure that you have hit that subscribe button. Long format video, that means we are back with yet another Nykaa pink sale, and yes, this time also they have sent me few products. And also again, this video is not sponsored at all you guys. तो जो नॉन स्पॉन्सर्ड काइंड ऑफ जो रिकमेंडेशन है वो आपको मेरे इंस्टाग्राम के स्टोरी में मिल जाएंगे. दिस सेल इज गोना स्टार्ट फ्रॉम 21st. आई थिंक आई एम गोना स्टार्ट पोस्टिंग स्टोरीज बाय 20 आई गेस. जब ये यूट्यूब वीडियो जाएगा उस दिन ही मैं अपने सारे स्टोरीज में अपने रिकमेंडेशन दे दूंगी. विदाउट एनी फर्दर अडू, लेट्स जस्ट गेट इनटू द वीडियो. सबसे पहले लेट मी जस्ट क्विकली शो यू द बॉक्स सेंट. दिस इज लाइक ह्यूज. इसमें कुछ प्रोडक्ट्स ऐसे हैं जो मैंने यूज़ किया है बहुत पहले एंड आई एक्चुअली रिकमेंड यू गाइज. सो या, लेट मी जस्ट क्विकली अनबॉक्स दिस. आई गॉट इज फ्रॉम ओले. दिस इज देयर लूमिनस विथ नायासिनामाइड लाइट परफेक्टिंग क्रीम. ओले चलता है क्या अभी भी मार्केट में? आई जस्ट डोंट नो. आई डोंट नो. ओले डज कंटेन लॉट ऑफ फ्रेग्रेंस, सो आई एम नॉट इनटू लाइक फ्रेग्रेंटिव स्किन केयर एनीमोर. तो आई डोंट नो इफ आई एम गोना यूज दिस, बट yeah, we are going to keep this aside for now. This is my favorite product out of all. I have been recommending this product like you know content create करना start किया तब से मैंने इसको recommend किया है. So this is from the brand Simple. This is their hydrating face wash and this is such a beautiful face wash. Honestly, if you have like sensitive or acne prone skin, you should definitely get this. This is so good. I mean, it's not gonna make your skin super dry. For all skin types, by the way. So oily skin, dry skin, everyone can use this. Okay. Next we have is from Lakme. This is their glow primer. Actually मैंने कभी ये use नहीं किया है. Lakme का blur primer मैंने use किया है and I very much like it. But let's see ये कैसे होता है. Swatch it here. It does have glitter particles, I guess. You can see the difference, right? Oh my god. I think I'm going to use this for sure. What we have is from the brand Vella. This is what the product looks like. Vella के बारे में भी मैंने काफ़ी सुना है. Also my friend Avantika, she also suggested me to use this. I was actually thinking of to selling it my blog sale, but she told me that this is great product. So yeah, I'm keeping this one up. I'll let you know how this one works as well. I haven't used it yet. We have two fragrance with me today. So first one is from the brand Nykaa. उनका इन हाउस मिस्ट. दिस इज देयर मेडिटेरियन सी सॉल्ट. ये वंडरलस्ट रेंज में मुझे सबसे बेस्ट तो मेडिटेरियन सी ही लगा बिकॉज आई लव fresh smelling fragrance and this is it. This will transfer to you to ocean, like ocean beachy vibe. I absolutely love this and this mist is also super fine. So good you guys. The one thing that I don't like about this product is it's not long lasting. Hardly 2-3 घंटे summers में at least रहेगा, but if you use this during winters ये आपको easily 4-5 घंटे काम कर लेंगे. Fragrance that we have is from the brand Rene. So this is what the product looks like. This is their red Noir. This is what the product looks like. Oh my god, this looks so gorgeous. Like, oh my god, just look at it. This is so luxurious and so, I mean, let me just smell it. Oh my god, this is something. I think this bottle will definitely call me कि मुझे please use करो. So I'll use this. Next we have some skincare products and I have first from the brand Plum. No, I haven't used this one. This is the Rice Water Plus Niacinamide Serum. मैंने जो use किया था वो only Niacinamide Serum था. We have is a sunscreen. This is from the brand Neutrogena. It really break me out every time I use it and I also sweat like hell whenever I use this. I know that there are people who rave about this particular sunscreen, but this particular sunscreen didn't work out on me at all. We have two face wash. So first one is from the brand Lakme. This is their strawberry face wash. I don't want to use it because it does contain a lot of fragrance you guys. If someone loves fragrance in their face wash, you are like good to go with this one, but I don't. Their lipsticks, their foundation and their complexion products and makeup products, especially their chef kiss you guys. You should definitely check out their makeup products, but skincare I highly doubt that. Next we have another face wash, and this is from the brand Dermaco. This is their 2% salicylic acid gel daily face wash for active acne. I have used this pehle and I love this as well. So if you are someone with acne prone skin, then you can definitely use this, especially if you are a teenager and you are new to actives, or you don't want to apply a lot of serums or a lot of actives on in your skincare routine. Then you should definitely go for this face wash, because this does contain salicylic acid. We have one more skincare product. Let me show you that. This is from the brand Rene again. This is their Glow Glass Serum. So this is what the product looks like, and also the texture is very good. Like 1.5 years back जब मैंने इसको buy किया था, तो I used that and before my makeup, and my makeup started peeling, you guys. Like इतना oily था, और मैंने इतू सा लिया था like I just rubbed it on my hand and just dabbed it in my skin, and I applied my normal matte foundation. I thought I am applying a matte foundation, तो उसके ऊपर facial oil लगाऊंगी, but this literally peeled the foundation का कोई गलती नहीं था, but still it literally peeled. But I have seen कि dry skin के ऊपर ये काफ़ी काम करता है. जब मैंने ये same चीज़ winter में try किया, then it literally worked. So yeah, if you have dry skin, definitely get this one. This is an amazing product. Moving on to the lipsticks. First I have from the brand PAC. This is their timeless liquid lipsticks, and I got in the shade Posh. मुझे जितने भी shades दिए हैं, everything is like pink. This is how the packaging looks like. Yes, I'll quickly show you the swatch. It's a peachy shade. I haven't used this on my lips yet, but I think this is gonna suit me. Don't you think so? I think ये थोड़ा सा वो peachy side को जाता है. So if I'll use like a brown lip liner, then this would go. Highly recommend you guys to try their timeless liquid lipstick range, because these are super luxurious. They feel so good on my lips. Last year जब उनका hot pink sale चल रहा था, तो buy 2 get 1 offer में था. Like I think buy 1 get 1 offer में था, and मुझे 2 लिपस्टिक को पड़ा only 300 rupees guys. Yes, मतलब उसमें डिस्काउंट भी था, प्लस उसमें buy 1 get 1 का भी ऑफर था. It was such a good deal. तो make sure कि आप ऐसे डील्स पे थोड़ा सा अपना नज़र रखो. Whenever you see कि buy 1 get 1 लिपस्टिक में हो रहा है, definitely get these पैक के लिपस्टिक. ये मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम सेल पे रहते हैं. Last time I got 2 shades. First is Naughty Doodle, sorry, and it's a mauve shade. I'll just quickly show you. This is what the shade looks like. This is a mauve shade, and I absolutely love this shade for everyday use. Next, this is the shade Rose Tea. Whenever I use this on my Instagram, हमेशा मुझे like कमेंट आते हैं, रिप्लाई आते हैं, स्टोरीज रिप्लाई आते हैं, कौन सा शेड यूज़ किया है, कौन सा शेड यूज़ किया है. अभी तो लिटरली मैं थक गई हूँ रिप्लाई करते करते कि कौन सा शेड है. लाइक लिटरली इट लुक्स डिफरेंट ऑन ऑन एवरी लाइट. डे लाइट में कुछ दिखता है, अभी रिंग लाइट के सामने कुछ दिखता है. तो इट्स लाइक अ रस्टी ब्राउन शेड, यू कैन से. इसमें थोड़ा सा हिंट ऑफ पिंक भी है एंड ब्राउन भी है, बट ये थोड़ा रस्टी कलर है. So like if you are someone with dusky skin tone, then definitely get the shade Rose Tea. But yeah, I'm quite excited for the shade Posh as well. मैं इसको try करूँगी and I'll let you know how that looks on my skin tone. Next lipstick we have is from the brand Kiro. Kiro liquid lipstick. Like this is their non-stop airy matte liquid lip. इसका मैंने एक full on review video दिया है, मैं आई बटन में डाल दूँगी. I have tried all of their brown nude shades, so make sure to check it out. रिव्यू चाहिए तो वो वीडियो आप देख सकते हो. Shade this sent me is the shade Sandy Rose. So obviously this is in the pinkish nude shade है ये. Okay, this is how the Sandy Rose shade looks like. I think this is definitely going to wash me out for some reason. This is very light pink shade, you all. This is very light pink, and it's actually too much pink for my liking, so I don't think I'm gonna use this. But the shade is beautiful. I just wish कि ऐसे शेड डस्की स्किन टोन के लिए भी मिले, but this shade is kind of going to wash me out. So if you are from light to medium skin tone, then go for this shade. This is going to look beautiful because it's a beautiful pinkish nude shade. Next I have is from K Beauty. This is their newly launched liquid lipstick. This is in the shade Vows. I have already reviewed it. अगेन मैं आई बटन में डाल दूंगी. लाइक विदाउट मेकअप मैंने इनको स्वॉच किया था, तो उसका लिंक मैं यहाँ पे डाल दूंगी. सो दिस इज हाउ द शेड वाउज लुक लाइक. अगर मैं मेकअप के बिना भी इसको अप्लाई करूँगी, दिस इज जस्ट इंस्टेंटली विल ब्राइटन अप माई स्किन. This is how the shade looks like. Last lipstick I guess. Again I got this from Lakme. This is their 9 to 5 primer matte lipstick in the shade Blushing Nude. या दिस इज डेफिनेटली ऑन अ वॉश मी आउट. यू कैन सी बहुत लाइट शेड है ये. ये काफ़ी लाइट शेड है गाइस. आई थिंक दिस इज डेफिनेटली ऑन अ वॉश मी आउट. बट या इफ यू आर समवन विथ light skin tone then you can definitely go for this lipstick. Guys, that was all. उतना ही product मुझे मिला था. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Before I end this video, let me tell you guys one thing, that don't let this sale overwhelm you and you like जैसे FOMO टाइप का फील हो है आप सारे प्रोडक्ट्स बाय कर लो. डोंट फील लाइक दैट बिकॉज ये सेल आते जाते रहेंगे एवरी नाउ एंड देन, लाइक एवरी 3 months और 4 months में आते रहेंगे. अभी जुलाई में एक हॉट पिंक सेल हुआ, नवंबर में और एक हॉट पिंक सेल आएगा, उसमें भी आपको बेटर ऑफर्स मिलेंगे. तो यू नो डोंट गेट ओवरवेल्म्ड एंड बाय एवरीथिंग. दैट्स कम्प्लीटली ओके. बट या वन थिंग दैट आई वुड हाईली रिकमेंड यू गाइज कि बी अ स्मार्ट बायर. जब भी हॉट पिंक सेल होता है ना, मैं हमेशा लग्जरी प्रोडक्ट्स की तरफ जाती हूँ बिकॉज लग्जरी प्रोडक्ट्स में कभी भी उतना सेल नहीं रहता है. बट हॉट पिंक सेल में काफ़ी अच्छे सही सेल और डील्स रहते हैं. सो डेफिनेटली आई वुड परचेज मोर लग्जरी प्रोडक्ट्स रादर दैन दीज लाइक अफोर्डेबल ड्रग स्टोर प्रोडक्ट्स, क्योंकि उनमें तो यू नो ऑफर्स आते जाते रहते हैं बट लग्जरी प्रोडक्ट्स में कभी नहीं आते. तो या stay tuned on my stories what products I recommend in luxury section as well. And also do let me know how did you guys like this quality of this video. I don't know ये video का sound कैसे आ रहा होगा because this is the very first time I'm shooting in my own camera. I mean yeah, I got my new cam. This is Sony JV1. Hit and miss कर रही हूँ of the lighting and everything. So do let me know how did you like find the video. And yeah, that's it for today's video. I'll see you next, I don't know, maybe next long form video. So yeah, bye.